I have to take Ringo outside and we have to go in the rain. And he's really excited, but he somehow likes the rain. And he's just excited to go outside. Okay, so we're going outside. Oh. What are you doing? You're biting the leash, but you want to go outside a bit? Okay, well, let's go. Okay, now this is like a game. Ringo, okay, I'll take you outside if you let go. It's not really raining, it's just spitting outside. And Ringo has no clue what to do, because he never really does. So he's just walking around. Ringo, I'm completely sorry, but you can't go on our swing set. Okay, now Ringo wants to go inside. Ringo! You're behind our couch. Sorry if you can't see this, but Ringo just went behind our couch. Ringo? Okay. Ringo, why would you ever think of sitting under a chair? Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, looks like he's hiding. Oh, he comes back. Ringo! Okay, bye.